How would you define a life in balance? A state of being and doing? Time for yourself and time for others? Or maybe it's about making life fulfilling rather than simply full. Balance. It's all about prioritizing, knowing when something can wait and when something truly deserves your attention.
We believe living a balanced life is essential. It helps you do more of what you love with the people you love. But balance can be tricky to find and easy to lose. That's why we've created something that helps you achieve a life in balance. Introducing the new fully electric Volvo ES90. Designed to be as versatile as it is powerful, as elegant as it is enjoyable, and just as luxurious. In every aspect, it gets the balance just right. Between life's everyday stresses and never-ending to-dos, the ES90 offers a serene, silent retreat with its clean, carefully crafted interior. And on this large center display, there's everything you need and nothing you don't.
Because sometimes finding balance means switching off. But whenever you need to get back, the 800-volt technology in the ES90 provides faster charging and a range of up to 700 kilometers. Hey. Marshmallows, nice. And the advanced air purification system gives you a real breath of fresh air. Whenever we're ready to switch back on, the 5G connectivity keeps you in the loop, whether it's for work or for play.
The ES90 has the sleek shape of a modern electric sedan. But it's not just form, it's function too. It is designed with ample space that makes loading and unloading easy.
Eric, is that you? Unbox me, will you?
Jim?
The ES90 is designed to help you navigate your daily demands with ease. Quite the statement piece. The interior is designed with people in mind, meaning it offers remarkable versatility and creates a feeling of space and serenity for all of its passengers. The ES90 boasts one of our quietest cabin ever, a true luxury experience.
But we can also turn up the volume! With 25 hi-fi speakers from Bowers & Wilkins, including Dolby Atmos, you can enjoy exceptional clarity and immersive sound wherever you are sitting.
With the ES90, we're one step closer to reaching net zero greenhouse emissions. It's produced using 100% renewable energy. Now that is a view. Inspired by Scandinavian nature, the ES90 comes with 6 ambient light themes that create a soothing and premium interior experience.
Oh, this is luxury you can feel good about.
Like every Volvo, the ES90 is designed for enjoyable and, most importantly, safer journeys every day. Where was I? Oh yeah. The safe space technology in the Volvo ES90 helps to protect and look after you, whether it's a sudden obstruction or just a twist in the road. For a life in balance, we believe the answer is simple. Comfortable, safer, and more sustainable living. This is what the Volvo ES90 is designed for. What do you guys think? I think it went well.
Eric, I think they're still rolling.